Hi guys, so today we are diving into the heart of Indian home cooking with a simple yet flavorful dish, Aloo Palak Sabji. This vegetarian delight is a perfect blend of spinach and tender potatoes. It's a versatile dish that can be enjoyed with roti, rice or even as a side dish. The combination of earthy flavors and vibrant green color makes it a feast for the eyes and the palate. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of making this Aloo Palak Sabji, from boiling the potatoes to tempering the dish. I'll make sure you have everything you need to recreate this delicious dish in your own kitchen. So let's get cooking and experience the authentic flavors of Indian cuisine. So now let's begin. So first, in a hot pan, add oil. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 Kashmiri Dry Red Chillies. Fry it for about few seconds. Then add 2 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry it for about a minute. Then add 5 potatoes cut in cubes and fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, 1 teaspoon Cumin Powder, half tablespoon Garam Masala, half tablespoon Coriander Powder, and then fry it for about 2 minutes. Let the masala nicely fry with the potatoes. Then add 2 tomatoes chopped and fry the tomatoes until soft. Then add 1 cup water, 1 stock cube and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the potatoes are nice and soft. Then give it a nice mix. And add 1 bunch palak or spinach cut in small pieces. And give this a nice mix. Then add half cup water. Add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, half teaspoon Kasuri Methi nicely crushed, half tablespoon chaat masala, and then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then give this a nice mix. And there you have it guys, a delicious and comforting Aloo Palak Sabji. The perfect blend of creamy spinach and tender potatoes is sure to satisfy your cravings. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. If you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out to be. I would love to hear your thoughts and see your creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.